All right, so today we're checking out a few leather straps from REZERO. This right here is one of their full grain vegetable tan leather straps. And what I'm gonna do is actually unbox one of these for you. Then we'll go through all the other options that they offer so you can get a feel for what's available. Inside the box, you've got the strap itself, and if you don't already have one, they include a spring bar tool completely free. It's a nice little addition, and it's always good to have in your kit. These are all made from full grain leather, which is basically the highest quality part of the hide. And being vegetable tanned, well, that means that you're getting a rich natural finish, not coated or synthetic, so it feels smooth, skin friendly, and will age beautifully over time. The straps are all hand stitched and finished by hand as well. You can actually see the stitching is really clean and consistent. It's subtle, not flashy, which I think adds to that refined, understated luxury vibe. Each strap also comes with quick release spring bars made from 316L stainless steel. That means if you're switching straps often, you don't need tools at all. Just pull the tab and swap it out. Now let's talk options. Here is the light brown oil wax strap, and it looks great on a classic dress watch. It has this warm, slightly distressed look, and it really works with, say, a white or cream dial. The oil wax treatment helps it pick up patina quickly, so it's great if you like a more vintage or worn-in aesthetic. This one here is the dark brown strap with a deployant clasp. I personally love this setup. The deployant clasp makes it an easier way to take it on and off, and you're not bending the leather every time, so it actually helps the strap last longer. Then we've got the black strap paired with the black buckle. This works perfectly with a modern or stealthy setup. Say a black dial diver or a blacked out field watch, really sleek. They also offer rose gold buckle options, which look great on warmer tone watches, anything with bronze, champagne, or even gold tone cases. What's nice is they offer a wide range of sizes too. Whether you're putting this on a slim vintage dress watch or a big rugged diver, there's a size that fits. What you're getting here is a handmade full grain leather strap that's versatile, durable, and really well priced. And with prices ranging from $30 to $60 depending on the clasp and size, you're getting excellent value for money. It's a premium strap without the premium markup. If you've been looking to upgrade a few watches in your rotation or just want something better than stock straps without going overboard on cost, REZERO is definitely worth checking out.